Welcome to the Berry Life. Today we're going to make our version of Levain's famous walnut and chocolate chip cookies.
This is a vegan version using an egg replacer and vegan butter.
For this recipe, we're going to need walnuts, semi-sweet chocolates, vegan butter, brown sugar, white sugar, vanilla extract, baking soda, baking powder, salt, all-purpose flour, and Ener-g egg replacer. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit.
To the stand mixer, add the vegan butter.
Now to it, add the sugar. First the brown sugar. And then the white sugar. Looks like the mixture is coming together nicely. We'll stop the machine, scrape, add the egg replacer.
Stop the mixer and add the vanilla extract.
In a bowl, combine the dry ingredients and add them to the mixer. Stop and give it a scrape. Looks like everything is nicely incorporated. Alright, the dough is coming together really nicely. Now we're just going to add the walnuts and the chocolate chips and let the machine stir for just a couple of seconds. Once you're done with the mixture, just thoroughly incorporate by hand. Once the dough is thoroughly incorporated, using a large scoop, portion out individual cookies. Space the cookies about 3 inches apart.
This recipe makes roughly 16 cookies. Once the oven reaches 350 degrees, the cookies can go in.
Bake the cookies for about 12 to 15 minutes.
In about 12 minutes, the cookies should look something like this. Let's take these out of the oven.
Once the cookies are out of the oven, let them cool in the baking sheet for about 2 minutes before transferring them to a cooling rack.
Let's check the bottom for browning. That's the perfect amount of browning.
It's been a few minutes. We can transfer the cookies to the cooling rack.
Oh, that is some decadent goodness right here. Please like and subscribe to help support our channel. Be sure to hit the bell icon for future notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this recipe.